This journey didn't start in China. It started with faith and a decision to rise again. I'm Desola, and this is Emerge by Desola, a space where we rebuild with vision, purpose, and clarity. From Nigeria to China, I'm rebuilding through global trade, learning, sourcing, negotiating, and opening doors many never knew existed. This is not just about products, it's about purpose, it's about access, it's about emerging stronger. Welcome to episode 1. For me, China is not just a destination, it's a strategy. Factories, warehouses, markets, negotiations. This is where global trade decisions are made. In this series, I'm taking you behind the scenes of sourcing, of pricing, supply relationships, and how African businesses can compete globally. What you're seeing is more than products. It's access, it's mergings, it's possibilities for all my clients, and showing that one lady, that one woman, that global trade is not reserved for the few. With the right knowledge, anyone can emerge. And this is me trying to help my customers get better margins, better profits, by ensuring top-notch quality, by ensuring that they get the best out of their capital.
It's an experience of the sun so
Different colors.
It's the courage now to rise again.
And you also have whites.
Not as who you were, but as who you've become.
This big one.
You were always gonna be, but we're
Very pretty.
feel the steps.
All
You
sorts.
march. You were always gonna be, but we're faith gonna out. But we're wisdom and feel the steps. You'll emerge. You'll emerge. You'll emerge.
Luxury, boutique-ish, boutique-ish.
It's an experience of the sun so reborn.
This is where ideas become inventories, where quality meets pricing, where smart businesses are built quietly. If you want to scale beyond borders, you must understand the source. And this is me taking those trips to different cities to ensure that I actually understand the source, that I actually understand the quality, that I actually meet the margins that my clients are looking for. This is me rebuilding through global trade in China.
Wisdom and feel the steps.
Yeah, so this is me working with the clients to get their business done. So I do not just procure, I help you get different things, I help you with designs. I actually bring your ideas to life in China. Send me DM, send me a message, I am at your service.
Partnering with you to bring your ideas to life. Partnering with you. We partner with you from idea to meetings to analysis. We bring your ideas to life. We help you bring the best deals. We help you bring the best product. Partnering with you. China is not just about business. The food also tells stories too. Every bite is culture, discipline, and generations of craft. Enjoy! From different kind of food to ice cream to dance. Oh wow, it is just enjoying my season right here. Different land, same joy. We don't just trade, we evolve.
You'll emerge. You were always gonna be, but we're faith gonna out. But we're wisdom and feel the steps. You'll emerge. You'll emerge. You'll emerge.
Every market has a language,
Okay, so this
and
is
you have to learn it, master it, and teach it.
Market and scale.
Yeah,
Another one.
I'm just 42.
Blackish and scale. Even though I'm confused. So there's
不疯，来看一个吧。他这一次就给
Mayaki. Can you see it? That's design. And sketch. This whole line is for 2 piece. See this beautiful one.
From Nigeria to China, this journey proves that borders don't limit vision. With faith, strategy, and consistency, global trade becomes possible. Episode 1 marks the beginning of rebuilding with purpose. And if you're listening to me right now, you are saying, Desola, what do I take out from this video? Number 1, global trade rewards preparation, not assumptions. Number 2, access comes from relationships and not shortcuts. Number 3, growth happens when vision meets action. This is Emerge by Desola, and we are just getting started. If this video encourages you, speaks to you, please share, like, and subscribe. See you in episode 2 of Rebuilding Through Global Trade in China.
Say cheese.